Using drones has a lot of applications in many industries, but automating flights or fleets of drones just makes it so much better. Gear offers automated site inspections and related analytics as a service. With no real major pre-investment, you can take an in-depth look at your infrastructure state as easy as booking an online flight ticket for drones. First, select your tower sites or other telecom facility sites on a map. Then use our drone selection recommendations for each one. Select the volume of drones to deploy. As we don't use on-site pilots to fly them, we can deploy multiple drones at once. Select the gear to load on the drones based on expected reports and requirements, such as select the time and date of the flight, take a look on screen, or put your goggles on to enjoy the flight in FPV mode, first-person view, and see the fleet of drones work for you, saving good time and money. Or allow us to remotely fly and operate the drones for you in case of an on-spot flight customization. Our automated flights use satellite communication and navigation, on-cloud data processing, with easy plug-in AI modules to boost data analytics, interconnection in bigger customer data ecosystems, or by using third parties' API to further interconnect data, as well as providing a selection of customized drones capable of long flight times up to 8 hours. And yes, we'll custom build our drones in case of a recurrent service. Get in touch today and discover how you can save time and money with the automated drone capability of Gear.